Who's that?
I don't know who's that.
It's Daddy.
Huh?
It's Daddy.
Araw sa umaga, tatakbo at magpapawis na magdasal, inaasahan.
Alright, good morning everyone. Hahatid na naman tayo ng ating estudyante sa school. Si Kuya, ready na. Are you ready, Kuya? Kuya?
Oh, yeah.
Look at me. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Kasi, are you ready? Ayan, may bit-bit pa si Gian ng kanyang softball. Naglalaro na siya ng soccer. Nasaan kaya yung aking prinsesa? Okay, Yara, let's go! Come on! Come on! Nako. Halika na! Ako, ayan. Nakikita niyo mga guys, mga basura sa gilid-gilid kasi basura mamaya. Hakutan. Tara, let's go! Wow, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh my gosh. Walking again? Huh? Huh? Walking again? Oh, what do you want to see our friends?
Subscribe.
Okay guys, ayan ang aking prinsesa. Lalakad-lakad na naman.
It's not the princess. If you're wearing dress, it's princess. When you're wearing t-shirt, that's t-shirt.
You're not princess anymore?
Yeah, look at the dress.
Oh, if you wear a dress, you're princess.
Yeah.
If you wear a t-shirt, you're Yara. Yan, ganda naman ang kulay ng bus na yan. Kulay dilaw. Kulay dilaw. Ako, si Kuya Gian, naglalaro pa. Oh! Naglalaro habang naglalakad papasok sa school. Bilisan nyo! Bilis! Naku po, ang aking pangalawa naglalaro na lang sa daan. Guys, look out! What are you doing, Yara? Okay, are you good? You're tired now?
I'm tired a little bit.
You tired a little bit?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright guys, ito. Buong pamilya ngayon ay naglalakad dahil napakaganda ng weather natin. Dahil sobrang sarap ng weather, kailangan natin maglakad. Maganda sa katawan, vitamin C nga, ika. Mamaya-maya itong aking dalagang ito ay magpabuhat na ito, magpapakiri na. Ngayon pa lang papasok nagpaparamdam na yan. Mamaya, hindi na yan ng hearing.
Kanta. Pwede naman ikaw yung nagsasalita habang nagpo-post. Pagkari na kanta.
Yara. Yara.
Oo na. Oo na, Aray
Good?
na.
You tired now?
Oo na, Aray na.
Ha? Kick your ball here.
I-message
Gian,
mo.
kick your ball. Kick it. Why? Why you stop it? Ha? Hot? Ay, mainit nga talaga. Mainit eh. Maganda pa naman ang sikat ng araw. Alas 9 pa lang ng umaga. 9 o'clock pa lang ng umaga. Ay, mainit na daw ang ramdam na ng mga bata.
Oh, yun lang ang Yara.
Bakit?
Iihi daw siya.
Oh no! Eh?
Oh, there!
Dyan, sa
Saan?
loob.
Here. Dito?
Yeah.
You know where's the washroom?
Pasok muna kayo dyan.
You know where's the washroom? Yeah.
So, dito ay papasok muna dyan kasi ihi na daw siya. Si Kuya nauna na oh. Amen! Hey! nauna na nga. Aba, yung aking binata, hindi na mapakali. Binata na nga si kuya. Oh, why are you walking it? Sit down.
Why? I'm good.
Ha?
I'm good.
Yan. 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 You gonna play soccer there at the school?
You have to take responsibility because if you shoot the ball,
Don't lose your ball, okay?
also call me when you.
Dala na yung kanyang soccer ball kasi maglalaro daw sila sa school. Who's gonna play with you there?
My friend.
Your friends? You know how to play? Who's teach you?
I know by myself.
You know by yourself?
Yeah, watch TV.
Watching TV, okay. Be good to play with them, okay? So guys, nauna na yung mga batang iba doon. Careful! Good morning! Ay, ano pala sila? Ayun! Again, yung glass mo. Yan. Andun na pala sila dumaan sa kabila. Naku po, naiwanan kami. Ayun na oh. Ayun. Yeah. Ako, naiwanan na tayo ni Bibi Yara. Dito pala sila dumaan sa likod oh. May pinto pala dito. Alright guys, andito na tayo sa school. Ayan, yung gate nila. Ito, ang bag mo. Papasok ka na. Okay na. Wow! Good boy ha. Saan si Kuya Dadan? Han?
Ito, yan pang pa. Okay,
Saan?
ingat ha.
Ingat guys. Where you gonna go? There?
Pero di na mainit.
Yan. You gonna go there?
Ito. So, lamig. Tara na.
What you said? You hungry? Ha?
Lamig and you're hungry.
Yeah.
You hungry na?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's go back home na.
But it's too far.
Oh. We'll walk again.
Tara.
No, tired. Kid.
It's the kid.
Yeah, look at how the bag. See? Well, who's that?
I don't know who's that.
It's
It's the
Daddy.
guy. Huh?
He's Daddy. Video, Mommy. Why I forgot?
Why Daddy always took a video?
Because Daddy always wants some on the video. Someone gonna like it.
Yeah?
Always Daddy took a video.
Why?
Sama.
What's that? I'm trying to play there. I'm trying to play 4 minutes there.
Okay.
What?
Yeah,
You gonna look at the park?
if you want to sit down, sit down. Oh, do
Okay,
it.
I'll get to go sit down over there, okay?
Daddy, if you want to sit down, just sit down now.
Oh, where you gonna go?
Go to the slide.
So guys, dumaan muna kami dito sa slide dahil gusto nyo pang maglaro. Nako. Oh, dito ka na dumaan. Here. Look at that. Oh. This dirty.
No.
Look at there. Oh, the slide. Oh. Look at there. Oh, dito. Here. Oh.
And what I do?
Slide. Oh, slide, go. Oh, naman. Masikip. Hindi na dosos.
Dad, can you take off that first?
Why?
Because there's dirt.
Saan?
Silly deer.
Oy, wait. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's water. I told you. It's not clean yet. Oh, you're gonna stop here? Yeah, you're gonna stop. You can stop over here. Over here.
No, you.
Okay, I'm gonna stop you here. Okay, so go. Parang hindi ka ata naalis. Ha? Ang sakit pang bambam mo dyan?
Go.
I'm gonna swing you, okay?
Yeah. It's a little bit good.
Oh, that's a good now? Happy? Louder, happy?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, after this one, we're gonna go home now, okay?
Okay, then it stop.
You stop now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I stop. Hoo! Oh. You know how to do? Ayan guys, papunta sa dyan sa may fountain na yan. Pipindutin niya lang yan. Yeah. Wow! See? Ayun, lumabas ng tubig. Ayan ang tubig. Yeah, the water is flowing in. What? Oh, enough na. Oh, oh, see? Oh, you wanna take a bath? Why? What?
It's too wet.
Yeah, you're gonna get wet if you go there. Oh, let's go na. Let's go home. Okay?
So much fun.
Alright guys, hanggang dito na lang. Oh, what do you wanna see our friends first?
Subscribe!